everybody, Rick from Tremor Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing an install of our fishing rod holders on the Tremor here. Pretty excited about doing the final install on these. Now, you've seen recently there was a video where we got some beautiful molly panels through Maxina, and they're amazing. And what I did is we were on our fishing trip and I needed to get some rod holders mounted, and I bought some off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below because these are actually really good fishing rod holders. But what I did is I basically just took a little Dremel, cut it, because having the full thing of 5 tall is too tall for inside of the bed of the truck by the time you match up with the alignment of the molly panels, etc. So what I did is I zipped it off. So I'm going to put 3 on the passenger side, and if I need to, I can have 2 on the 4. Let's try that again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have this set mounted on the passenger side, which will hold 6 rods, and this set mounted on the driver's side, which will hold 4 rods. So you can hold 10 fishing rods all in total. And that's what I liked about this holder, was the number of rods that it held, and they did it side by side like this. I also got these little bungee straps, and they will go over the fishing rod and onto the rod holder, and that'll stop the rods from bouncing around. So let's get at it. It's going to be pretty straightforward. We've got the holes drilled already, and the molly panels are set. We just have to put some bolts through, and lock washer and wing nut. While you're drunk, I'll just fly it.
And there you have it, the finished product. Got the fishing rod holders installed on the molly panels and on this side as well. I am very happy. So now when we go fishing, the fishing rods will not get damaged, and that's super important. You're going to snap any rod tips off. It doesn't happen anymore. Great products, folks. Put the link in the description and check them out. It's well worth the money.